What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. Nice little trade. We're sitting at $1.66. We're up 9% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 4.17 billion. 24-hour volume 546 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. So let's jump into Fantom, guys. So let me quickly turn up my screen brightness. So our first buy zone was here at 145, and our first take profit zone was 164. So that was a juicy trade of about 13-14%. Now you don't have to close your whole trade. Usually I'll close 25-50%. We have hit overbought on the RSI. On the 1 hour, we're seeing a small move down. So if we come all the way back down to 145, you can set a stop loss at your buy-in and you'll break even. And then you gained a 50% trade because you closed 50% of your trade, right? So that was juicy little profits there. And then you can set your buy zones once again. I would still target 145 as we should trend into oversold if we come back down to that level. And then we can move this up. Looks like this got knocked off a little bit. Just one moment, guys. We have 121, we have 86 cents, 58 cents. I have a buy zone all the way down here at about 16 cents for Fantom. All right, guys, so nice little trade opportunity there. And if we pop over to the 4 hour time frame, we're just fighting with the 20 EMA here on the daily. So I would keep an eye on that. But Bitcoin may be looking to create a double bottom. So that's when you'll see Fantom do this right here. We'll come back down to this buy zone and then break back out to the upside, because as you can see here with Bitcoin, this is the daily time frame for BTC. So we're looking for a reversal pattern. So we may have a V-shaped recovery. Of course, that's a possibility, but there's a higher likelihood we come up, we hit resistance, we come back down, we break out double bottom pattern, break out back to the upside, as we are very close to oversold on the 1 day chart for BTC. And if we look at the 4 hour short positions, we can see the short positions have been increasing here for Fantom, signaling to us that we're going to see it move back down. If whales and retail investors are shorting as price is going to go up, that means they're getting ready for the move back down, right? And you can see we're seeing a little bit of consolidation. Now that doesn't mean we can still consolidate here and break out back to the upside. That's why I only close 25-50% of my trade, and I'll let the rest ride just in case we continue to break out. Your take profit levels, this is a bit off, 191, 233, 261, 296 for Fantom. And we have our next impulsive wave target. What you do is you take your Fibonacci, you go from your swing high. If this is our true low here, guys, then you would target the 1.618 for your next impulsive wave, which brings Fantom up to about, wow, $6.81. We have our bull run targets. Hold on, guys. My apologies. Here we go. So we have our bull run targets. The 2 extension was at 597. So that next impulsive wave would bring us up past 597. But my target for Fantom is up here at 993 for this bull run. You can see we're in the floor on the 1 hour RSI as well. So I would expect to see a nice little bounce here for FTM relatively soon. We're holding the 200 EMA. Let's see if we have some sort of pattern here. Looks like we're just kind of in a descending channel. Yeah, so we're kind of in a bit of a descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern here, guys. So if we're able to hold this support, we can bounce back up to the top of your wedge. And then your target is the previous all-time high at 357 for FTM. So that's basically it for this one, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, as well as a full explanation of the DCA trade strategy and the DCA charts. So you can check them at all times. Check your buy limits, check your take profit limits. Always available. I'm updating them every day. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. Much love. Take care.